Hey guys, today we're going to do how to make noodles and food review. Do I dab? I don't know, YouTube. Step 1, go to noodle storage facility. Fantastic Beef Noodles. I'll be the judge of that.
Or you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Next step is boil the water. Life pro tip, if you get your water boiling first, you don't waste time while you open the packaging.
You're a freaking genius, you idiot!
Water's boiled. Hooray! Now this water is boiling hot and you want to add to the line. The pack says wait 2 to 3 minutes. I like to wait 4 minutes. That's just me. Food review. Hooray! Steam.
Steam hands.
Fantastic. Noodle. Oh, don't spill the boiling hot water. Can you guys see that? Delicious. So now we are going to taste test the Fantastic Beef Noodle. Let's go. The first thing you notice is the steam. I mean, the noodles themselves, they have like a hard feeling. It's kind of like biting into an unripe banana, and you get the feeling of like you're chewing on a piece of wood, except this is more like chewing on little bits of uncooked noodle. You have to make sure you have a Mother energy drink on hand. How else are you going to start your day? The other thing worth making mention of is the vegetables, which really don't taste like vegetables. They're more like little bits of cardboard. You do get a nice beef stock sort of flavor. It's a little bit of a shallow flavor. Leftover juice in here. And yeah, it basically tastes like beef stock and salt, which I'm not opposed to. Apologies if you don't like slurping sounds. This is a food review. If you really don't like slurping sounds, you should check out mukbang. It does get saltier the deeper you dive. And we are done here because there's beef juice. So that's it. Thanks guys. And let me know which foods you'd like me to review next in the comment section below. Have a good one guys. Peace out.
Bruh.